Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Larry coming back at you with a brand new YouTube video. I'm super excited. I just got the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max in the 128GB. I was supposed to get the 256GB because I do shoot a lot of content. I need a lot of memory just to store all that content. But anyways, my mom made the mistake of ordering me the 128. I told her to give me the 256. She did it all through the phone. I just wanted to come here and talk to you guys why I haven't been posting for a couple days now, just because I've been trying to activate this phone. With that being said, brand new phone means new content, way better picture quality, different style of filming. Yeah, this iPhone has cinematic mode, which is insane. If you guys don't know what cinematic mode basically is, just to make it super simple for you guys, let's say I'm shooting on cinematic mode, right? And I want it to focus on just me. Now all this would be blurry, so it'd just be focusing on my face and it'd give me the highest quality possible. And like the most simplest terms, that's how I can explain cinematic mode for you guys. First impressions when I first turned on this phone, how good it feels. It doesn't feel too heavy. The square edges are amazing. The back of the phone is matte. It's super smooth. Now the edges are like a chrome graphite, which I dislike because you get all the fingerprints on there. That's the only thing I dislike about this phone is the chrome edges. They should have just stuck with the matte edges, just like the iPhone 13. Just came back from getting this phone fixed. This is the iPhone XS Max. This is my old phone right here. They charged me $140 plus tax, so out the door was $147. So yeah guys, it's definitely time to part ways with this iPhone XS Max. I've had this phone for over 3 to 4 years now, and I've shot and edited most of my content straight from this phone right here. But right off the bat, you guys can definitely tell that the video quality is there on these new iPhone 13s. And I'm not gonna lie, even the microphone quality on this new iPhone is really good. As for this iPhone XS Max, the microphone quality just isn't there. It's really bad. Video quality on this is okay, but obviously this phone came out like 4 years ago, so it's outdated. I definitely recommend you guys pick up this iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is honestly a game changer. I'm telling you guys right here, I don't see myself ever going back to this phone, like ever. Anyways guys, I'm gonna give you guys a teaser of how good this cinematic mode is. I'm gonna shoot in 4K at 24 frames per second. All right guys, quick little favor, if you guys can smash the like button down below before the video ends. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Enjoy the rest of the video. Take care everybody and stay safe out there.